Hello. Guess what? We have another small business review, product review, unpackaging, website review, social media review. I love this. I could do this for the rest of my life. I mean it, because like these businesses are, they're small businesses, but they're not going to be small for long. Because not only am I getting quality products, but I'm getting good customer service. You know, like who can ask for more? All right, so I don't have a package slip, but my waist beads. These were custom made by me. I was able to order these waist beads and select the colors that I wanted based on what my goals were. Okay, so I chose the green, pink, red, and black. Green, pink, red, and black. Okay, so you'll be able to go onto the website and see what each color means and select. You can do a custom or you can do a pre-made. There are lots of different options for your waist beads. So you definitely want to check them out. If you have different goals, you'll order like one custom or several different custom beads. So definitely check them out. I have a good clasp there. Let's see, let's go on quick. I've never used waist beads before, so this will be my first time. So it does ask your measurements, and I'm gonna fasten it in the front and then turn it around. All right, so here we go. Yep, it fits. So the size that I selected, right then. I wouldn't normally have this cardigan on, but I want it to be fully clothed online, so I'm not gonna take it off. All right, so here's my waist bead. So, okay. So over time, I would expect like these waist beads to slowly like descend down my waist as I am practicing like body mindfulness, because that's part of the process of wearing waist beads. So I'm actually looking forward to my waist bead journey, and I'm pleased with the colors that I got and the speed of delivery, the different options that were available. I will most likely order more waist beads that have different purposes. So the waist beads that I chose had to do with like heart chakra, openness, and that kind of thing, because I enjoy my independence, and you know, I meet like great people, and you know, I would like to get into a mind frame where I'm more open to the possibility of like dating and relationships and that kind of thing. Right now I'm so like busy and enjoying things, like I don't really want to have anything interfere with that. So hopefully my journey with my waist beads will assist me in reaching that point. So part of manifesting that, I believe, is taking a step. So getting these waist beads is a first step. Again, the information to get your waist beads is below in the comment section. Thank you for sending me my waist beads. I got them in very quickly. Ordering was easy on the website. So if you're thinking about getting waist beads, definitely check out this company. All right, thanks. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.